Alright guys, guess what? It's race day. That's right. Although we're not going to Mokan, we're going to Tulsa. Mokan was too cold to race. In fact, a lot of tracks were shut down here that last weekend. So anyway, with that, we're heading out to Tulsa so we can see what we can do out there. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Here we go. Okay guys, just turned in my tech card. We're getting ready to make our pass up there, getting ready to call no E to the lanes. So let's get in the car, get up to the lane, and get ready. Okay, we made it out here at Tulsa. This is our pit stop, or pit stop, or pit, I guess you could say. Hops, anyway, that's where we pitted at. Made one pass so far. It did good. It repeated a number we did a couple weeks ago, 659. So we had a double 04 red, so we took a little bit of air pressure out of the front. So anyway, I'm gonna go up there and try to smack that light again from the second round of qualifying. So here we go. We're done making the second qualifying pass in no box, I think is what they call it here. Anyway, Pop's out there getting some gas in the car, or methanol, I should say. Anyway, same identical times for both lanes. I think one's a 5.97, the other one maybe a 5.96. So anyway, this is what it is. So get ready to go. Eliminations coming up. Okay, got left lane, put a 61 on it. Got, I think Curtis Reed, he's at a 628, so it should be a pretty good race. Okay, going up there for round 2, foot brake or no E, whatever they're calling it here. Put a 64 on it, so it did slow down a little bit. So it's all in the 60 foot. So it would have ran a 67 that pass, but now I put a 64 on it because that's what it should have ran, because I womped it and gave it back. But anyway, let's get up there. Okay, back in the left lane, got another fast car, so see what we can do. Okay, let's do a recap of the race. That round did not go as planned. I should have stayed with the 61 dial. I moved it up to 64 for some stupid reason other than I think it's what I ran the round before. But after talking with Pop and stuff, we should have kept it at a 61. Anyway, the car was on a 659. That's what we did our first 2 rounds of practice in, ran a 59. That first round threw a little glitch in there. So man, it is what it is. But oh well, we had a good time. It's the first race of the year. We're down here in Tulsa, just getting some of the bugs worked out and getting ready to go on a long vacation. So we'll be back racing for at least another month. So anyway, that will be up in Mokan where you'll see me next. So other than that,
Charger.
you get the what?
Charger.
Okay, get the charger. It needs new batteries. Let's get out of here. Enough of this. It's a beautiful day.